My topic is impact of drivers during the implementation of green supply chain management, a study on small and medium scale enterprises, which has been made in Pune. First I will tell what is supply chain management. It is nothing but it is an integrated manufacturing process where raw materials are manufactured into finished final products and then delivered to the customers according to Beeman. And you may ask, what is green supply chain? Green supply chain management nothing but which is adding flavor of environmental management systems or green flavor. That is nothing but environmental thinking, integrating or integration of environmental thinking into supply chain management is green supply chain management. What it means actually, it starts from the suppliers, vendors to the final green customers, green suppliers to green manufacturing to green packaging to green warehousing, green transportation, green customers. Green suppliers are nothing but suppliers or the vendors has to supply the materials which are less harmful to the environment. They are not more harmful. And green manufacturing process means they have to use less water, less energy, as well as non-conventional energy process they have to use in green manufacturing process. And in green packaging, they have to use the materials which can be reusable, which can be biodegradable material they have to use. And green transportation means they have to use the vehicles for transportation should be either as now they are using the petrol or diesel, they have to go for electric, which are having less carbon footprint. And the green customers means that now the customers are aware of getting the products that green product, they are knowing what the green products is. So the environmental management is increasingly being recognized as a strategic problem with the potential to have long-term impact on the business. ISO 14001 is an environmental management framework standard which has been implemented by many of the enterprises in 21st century. Now, greening the logical network has enhanced a major process of numerous business and a logistical difficulty. Now this is impact on drivers. What is a driver means what? Then driver is nothing but it's a resource or a process or some condition which is valid for continuous success and growth of any business activity. So this paper explains about how green production network management is carried out by using ISM technique. ISM here is nothing but it is a interpretive structural modeling. ISM stands for interpretive structural modeling. Both internal as well as external customers play important role during the implementation of this GSM, green supply chain management in SMS. I have taken SMS because what happens now, this green supply chain management has been implemented in most of the medium and small large scale industries, but it is in a way in the infant stage in small and medium scale industries. Environmental management systems implementation will have a long-term impact on business performance. Many of the industries have implemented ISO 14001, which is environmental systems in a medium and also large scale industries. But still, in SMEs, small scale industries, ISO 14000 implementation has done very few in industries, very few industries. And forward and reverse logistics, lowering packages, waste evaluating, vendor based on environmental performance, designing environmental friendly products, and also lowering the carbon footprint connected with goods transportation are all some of the examples of green supply chain management. These are the drivers what I've taken here for my, it is a resource or process or condition that is vital for the continued success and growth of a business. The first one is environmental management system. Second, you have to collaborate with collaboration with the suppliers, product innovators and distributors working together to mitigate and eliminate negative environmental effects. Legislations and the government regulations, environmental friendly design, ISO 14001 certification, environmental systems incorporating in planning and operation process, energy efficiency, materials and planning, packaging should be reused and recycled whenever possible. Collaboration with customers on environmental issues and reverse logistics. These are the main drivers which has been considered in my study. Environmental management system certificate. Suppliers has got the environmental management certification. Either ISO 14001 suppliers are used to get, they are selected as the vendors to get the supply, or the suppliers, certified suppliers to be used in this process. And it has been collaborated with suppliers on elaborate environmental issues.
Malleshappa,
yes, sir.
5 minutes are over. Two more units, please
Okay,
come
okay,
to the
sir.
conclusion.
As collaboration, suppliers means suppliers must have to collaborate with the producers or the manufacturers with concerned with environmental issues. These are some 8 to 10 I have taken here, and major goals and objectives are to recognize and rank the drivers that can have impact on the use of green store network, and to resolve and to have discussions between the recognized drivers, and to also to comprehend the administrative indications of this research. The problem definition is here we have taken in Pune manufacturing organizations. In Pune, manufacturing organizations, just a minute. The manufacturing organizations like manufacturing of aluminum allied products like pressure cooker and the frying plants. The distribution channel is through the network of merchants through the state of Maharashtra and also other states. As a result of environmental enactment, as a result of environmental law enactment, the organization interested to actualize the green production network. The business experts and also some corporate leaders and also some leader groups, they have started identifying these drivers what are given. They are taken from the literature review as well as from the business experts or corporate experts. Drivers have been identified which are vital for preferring green store network administration procedure.
Malleshappa, please come to the conclusion.
Yes, sir. Conclusion. Okay. The conclusion from this is the drivers associated with the firm under negotiations for the implementation of GSM provide significant challenges to the firm's management because of the complexities of GSM procedures, client and waste cost, and vulnerability in direction. The relative method of the different drivers as well as mechanisms for achieving them must be known by decision makers. The 11, I have given here 11 drivers which are featured in the flowchart show that the firm under negotiation, the flowchart 2, and the collaboration between the drivers was analyzed by using ISM, that is interpretive structuring modeling. The main thing here, government regulations, rules and regulations, and also as well as reverse logistics are clearly significant drivers here. Government regulations and reverse logistics have significant drivers in achieving collaboration between product designers and suppliers to lower and eliminate the product environmental impact drivers, which is crucial achieving GSM certification of achieving GSM and certification of suppliers environmental management system drivers. The collaboration with the customers and environmental management system, that is IS 14001 certification, and also collaboration with the vendors on the environmental issues were placed at an intermediate level of the model of ISM technique. Integration of quality environmental management systems, greener outline in the process of operations, reducing vitality, utilization, reusing of materials, and the bundling of drivers were placed at the best level of ISM system. This is my conclusion, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Malleshappa.
Okay, thank
Malleshappa, can you please explain the idea of reverse logistic as a curative measure for the existing issues?
Yes, sir. Which one, sir? Which one?
Reverse logistics.
Reverse logistics. Yeah. I'll give. Yeah. Reverse logistics. Nothing but I'll give an example here. The reverse logistics. This is one is forward logistics. Forward logistics starts from the suppliers to the last customer side. But the reverse logistics, which usually starts from the customer to the supplier, from the customer end to the supplier. For example, you can call it as a you can take the pharmaceutical company, manufacturing company, the expired tablets from the medical store to it goes back to the company. That is reverse logistics.
Right.
And also, yes, sir.
Yes. What about that collaborative venture with the customers?
Collaboration, you have to make collaboration concerned with environmental management systems because they are not trained. SMEs are not trained in environmental management systems. All the suppliers are also not aware of using, because the raw materials which are using is scarce raw material. They are having scarce raw material. So that in that case, they have to make collaboration and have trained properly concerned with the environmental issues or concerned with the IS 14000 issues.
Do you have any adaptable model?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any adaptable model from any other system?
No, sir.
No, right. Okay, no problem. Thank you for the.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. This was the last presentation of the day.